right, to get started on the spinach salad that I eat twice a day, what we're going to need is half a pound of spinach, or any really salad green that you'd like. We're going to use half a cup of black beans. It could be any beans, but I prefer black beans. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. Now I use whole flaxseed to get a crunch in my salad. We're also going to use some liquid smoke. We're going to use a glaze, which is a reduced balsamic vinegar, and a little bit of barbecue sauce. Now, the things that stay the same in my salad all the times are the greens, the beans, and the flax. And I switch up what I use as my dressing. Normally, I always use a balsamic base though. So what we're going to do is start off with these ingredients. We're going to take our balsamic here, and we're going to add 2 spoonfuls. And then we're going to take some of our reduction, add about half a spoonful there. We're going to take the liquid smoke. Now I prefer a nice smoky barbecue-y type Southwest flavor. And then the barbecue sauce. And we're just going to add there, about a spoonful. We're going to put that in there. And we're going to give it a good mix. Alright, next we're going to add our beans. And I like to get those really nice and mixed with there, because that's what the salad's gonna, that's what the greens are gonna cling to. So we've got this right here. Put that and set that here. And then take our spinach, and this is half a pound. Add that in. And I like to make sure it's nice and mixed. Get the beans in there. Just like that. And I'll mix it a little bit more. But then we add the flaxseed as a nice crunchy topping. Just like that, I have my spinach salad. I'm going to clean up things in the kitchen. I will be back in a second. Alright, just got out of the kitchen and the spinach salad has been made. I know a lot of you might think that I sit around and eat ice cream all day, which some days I do, but every day I try to have 2 spinach salads with half a pound of salad greens, and I choose to use spinach. But this is kind of my go-to. Like I said, the recipe with the dressing mix changes quite often, but that's what I'm going with right now. But let me give it a bite. Delicious. It's got a little bit of sweetness, a little tangy, kind of that Southwest flair, a little barbecue-y. I really enjoy it. I feel great after eating it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the like button, and if you want to see more awesome plant-based videos, maybe a little more exotic than this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and I'll see you guys really soon.